Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we have a 2013 Volkswagen GTI. It has around 150,000 miles on it, and it was having a bad misfire, smoke coming out of exhaust, loss of power, flashing check engine light, and the code was P0303, misfire on cylinder 3. I did replace the coil and spark plug, and it didn't help. Here's the 2-liter turbo engine. This is the problem cylinder that keeps having a misfire, hard misfire with the blinking check engine light. And I took another spark plug out of another good known cylinder, and I put a camera down there, borescope camera, and I looked at the piston and valves, and everything looks okay. I did look at the injector, and I turned the ignition on to see if it's leaking or not, and here's what I found. This is cylinder 3, the one that is having issues, and I put a camera down there and I turned on the key, and the camera is in there, and I'm walking to the car to turn on the key. As I turn it on, the injector is stuck open, and it doesn't stop putting fuel down the cylinder, and the engine runs very poorly. Now I'm going to show you the outer cylinder that is a known good one that doesn't have any misfires, and with me opening the key, we'll see what happens. Okay, here is the cylinder number 2. That is a good one. It does look a little dirty. This car had the injectors replaced couple years ago, but they already look pretty dirty. And this is me opening the key, and there's no fuel coming out. So from what you can see is that the injector is stuck open, and it's causing all the misfires going on with this car. So if you have a similar issue with misfire going on, get yourself a camera and look down the cylinder and check the injectors, make sure they're not stuck open. So next I'm going to replace that injector, and we'll call it a day.